So, in your bidding structure, in your bidding strategy, there are options like down only, up and down, all
Yeah.
those things are there. So, what is the best option that you go for? Like, what is a general SOP that, okay, when we are creating a campaign, we should start with this particular option, like down only or up and down or fixed?
Yeah. That's I just recently read a post on this on LinkedIn. It was quite great. I would say the ad auction needs to trust your campaigns. The ad auction
Mhm.
first needs to trust your campaigns, and it will show relevant ads to shopper before using dynamic down and up and down bidding. Else, it will reduce your bid to a non-competitive amount. So first, I would ask you to build the trust of a new campaign with a fixed bidding strategy. That's the first one. You have to use a fixed bidding strategy in the start, and bid should be close to your estimated break-even bid for the product. Now test the trust periodically. Every couple of weeks you have to test the trust to see if turning on up and down bidding will result in the average cost per click. Uh, Average cost per click rising above the set bid. So if it does, I think the campaign is ready to be chosen for the dynamic bidding. If not, you should just stick to fixed bidding and focus the list of keywords to ensure that there is tight relevancy to your product.
Okay, so you mean to say we should have the control in our hand instead of giving that to Amazon, right?
Yeah. Start with the fixed bidding, and generally, if you see the cost per click is rising, then you should move to cost dynamic up and down bidding. That's what I do.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, generally, we start with either fixed or down only because
Yeah.
that gives more confidence in our hand as well.